Mutongeria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ne atirimanite na Minister Munene MUSALIA Mudavadi obisine chiawe Railways Nairobi nyumene ne BAIRI andiki bante RWIRO rwa Raila GUCINDA AU. Raila na ugete ARINA kionthe kiria gikwendeka kuona giti giki kia mukaririgite na moroto jwa kugwatithania nthiguru cia Afrika. Nawe MUSALIA na ugete thirikari nene ni thuranirite bonene gutethia Raila kiri kampeni chiawe na ARINA wete agatinda giti giki. Antony Kathenya na riboti hiji.
Mutongeria wa ngwatanire Azimio Raila Odinga ligo na kila kionde kwendekana gwitithia na mbere ngwataniro ya ndije Afrika na gutigila kiroto kiande ino nigikugwatikana ile ngwataniro na maendeleo. Alieni Raila Odinga nigwatetwe mbaru ni munene wa mawaziri MUSALIA Mudavadi akele idagati mutarata roju nonenkereto irathimo ni Rais William Ruto.
I believe that I have sufficient knowledge and experience to be able to move the AU forward. AU is an institution that was founded by the founding fathers of our nation. And their dream was an Africa that was united, an Africa that was cohesive, an Africa that was developed.
Kenya is certain that our candidate, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, has credentials and the passion to advocate for Africa's interests globally and champion for more opportunities for Africa and her people. Let me laud our President, His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, for fully endorsing the candidate and continuing to extensively engage with his counterparts in diverse regions of the continent. So far, our candidature has been positively received.
Kulingana na MUSALIA Mudavadi, Thirikari nibanganitie na kuthondeka mitego gutethia kampeni ya Raila Odinga kile gusira giti giki kia mwikari gitwa ngwatanire eno ya ndije Afrika na ina wetikio ati Odinga akajukio tongoria bobomu.
The State Department for Foreign Affairs has established a campaign secretariat which includes the candidate's strategy team. The secretariat will prepare all the briefs for use by the candidate, develop campaign materials, including digital presence, and prepare for the public debate to be broadcast live to African citizens.
Utongere bwande ya Kenya buliligilwa kunenkania rietwa Raila Odinga tamuruga magiteki mbira tariki jere mweru enana mwaka ujo.
As per the schedule of the AU elections calendar, the deadline for the submission of the regional nominations to the AU Commission is 6th August 2024, 2 months from now.
I wish to reiterate the obvious, that I am vying for a position in Africa, not in the government of the Republic of Kenya. But I need the endorsement of the government of Kenya for that African position.
Raila Odinga na MUSALIA Mudavadi balala gikagitakale bakudidega walanilia na ndikibanteto obisini ja MUSALIA Mudavadi amuji muneno Nairobi.
That Africa, the richest continent on the planet Earth in terms of resources, is also the poorest in terms of development. This is the paradox that we want to solve.
Kumamuji muneno Nairobi, Beta Antony Rangi wa Kathenya.